It's the Otis elevator, located at Bingham Office Park, 3100. And yes, I didn't mean 301 since I misspelled that, but we get an Otis Lexan slap-on mod from Custom Series 1, and guess what? Call stations aren't original, unlike the other building with the original Lexan call station. Let's take a ride. Okay, so I just took a test ride on this one. Kind of rough, but still pretty good. Chimes are muted though, I noticed. So yeah, I have no idea what kind of call station that is. So yeah, it's coming. I know. Yeah. Yep. Here it is. We are red lantern. Okay. Original Otis logo. Let's go up. We're going up the floor. Yikes. My motor sounds okay. This is an okay elevator. It's the Rare Custom Series 1. The chimes are muted. Yikes. Professionally managed by Dominion Reality Services. We're at 4. Okay, that wasn't the best class. Okay, that elevator had okay classic only. The capacity is 2,000 pounds on this thing. Okay, but we're going down to 3. Whoa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Door open, door closed. Yikes. Capacity 2,000 pounds, like I said. This building seems to have door calls in the Custom Series ones, unlike the rest. Oh, but classic only worked that time. Because last time it didn't even seem to go ahead and work. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.